This is something I have wanted for a long, long time. These are what we call night vision binocular goggles, I guess, because they do two things. They allow you to see in pitch black, but they also kind of zoom in. Now, I live with a big empty golf course behind our house, and there are a lot of critters out there at night. Sometimes I like to see what's going on out there, like stand on the balcony and look. And that's where something like this can come in. And so I'm going to go over all the features of these and why you might want to consider having a pair of these yourself. So let's get into it. What I love is how clear everything looks. These record footage in 4K Ultra HD and snap 36 megapixel photos, so you're not just seeing shadows, you're getting crisp detail even at night. Plus, the 8 times zoom means you can really check out what's happening far away without moving an inch. The infrared system is impressive. You can adjust 7 different IR levels depending on how dark it is. I've been using this now for a little while, and some tips I can give you is number one, take some time to go through the instruction booklet. It'll help you with the buttons because you need to get used to what you've got here. I'll run you through the most important ones. Number one, you've got your power button. You've got the photo button here. You can take photo, video, or playback. Also, when you first turn it on, it's going to be, I guess you want to say daylight mode. To flip it into infrared mode, you need to go here. It's either going to be up the infra or down it. So it's going to be more intense, and then you're going to dial it down. So it depends on how far away something is. Sometimes you want to dim it down a bit so you can see the detail. Then when you really want it to pop, you're going to hit the 360p, and that's going to make everything just be very vibrant, very clear in the dark. And then to focus, you just turn that. You've just got one thing here to turn. This one isn't going to turn. Some common questions people have: what comes with it? Well, you get this strap, so you can kind of drape this around your neck and put that on there. You also get a charging cord, which is nice. In fact, it's really long. Now, this is something you don't see very often. It does come with its own micro SD card. So you go ahead and record on there. Makes it really easy to transfer your footage elsewhere. Can you use this during the day? Yes, because you can zoom in on stuff and use this during the day. It's just really meant for night primarily. The other question people have is if you wear glasses, like regular reading glasses or regular glasses, can you still use this in focus? Absolutely, no problem there. And there is a rangefinder built in, so you can tell exactly how far away something is. So if you're looking for a great thing just to have around the house in those times you don't know what the heck is out back, or the perfect gift for somebody, especially, people who like the outdoors, you can't go wrong with this. So definitely check these out.